The dead space marker is as badass looking as it is ominous. It's easily one of the most recognizable symbols from the modern gaming era. Now you can have one too, provided you have a 3D printer and a little time. Necromorphs not included. Thank God. Sorry about the little slip up in the filming of that. I'm working on a new camera mount so that I don't have that issue again. I hope you enjoyed the video and aren't related to Isaac Clarke, or you may have found that offensive. There is a link in the description below should you like to create one for yourself. If you don't have a 3D printer, many different gaming related items like this one are available as rewards for supporting the channel on Patreon. You guys know what to do. Like the video if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment below on what to print next, and be sure to subscribe for more gaming and gaming related 3D prints in the future. Thanks for watching the Brainbean Gaming channel.